Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will basically tell you a editor that I developed, black and board editor. So this makes it very much easy if you want to teach something to the students, or if you are a teacher, if you want to do online teaching, then it's a very good platform that I built, guys, using socket.io, jsPDF library and Html2Canvas library. You can see that the background is blackboard, the background is black, and we are writing it with a pencil here. So you can basically write anything, you can teach anything. Basically it's a PowerPoint presentation going on. You can even export your results into PDF and also image file as well. Let me show you the demo. And if you want to basically change the pencil color, you can even change it to yellow color. You can see that how easy it is. Various colors are also present. You can just click this option and pick your favorite color. And this is, you can see it's a green color. So you can see how perfect this application is. Or this is the orange color, and various colors are there. This is red color. And let's suppose if you want to erase something from this blackboard editor, there is also a eraser out there, and this is the eraser, and with the help of this eraser you can now erase all the things that you've done right here. You will see that it's a very handy kind of an application. So if you want to teach something, you can use this application. So it's a peer-to-peer application. You can even connect with other people as well if you are teaching it. If you want to connect with other people, you can also connect it. So it is using socket.io also. And for the technologies, we are using Node.js and Express to it's a web application. So you can deploy this application on a perfect domain name or website, and then basically you can teach any sort of thing that you want to teach. And the nice thing is that we have the eraser, we have different colors of pencils. And now let's suppose if you want to divide the screen, you have this option to divide the screen. So now there are two options out there. In one option you can teach something here, and in the second panel here you can teach something else. This makes it very much easy for the teachers, which is, you have seen these blackboard editors online in online teaching. You have seen these on YouTube as well. So some people which are teaching students online, so they use these kinds of applications. So it's completely I developed this from scratch. So the link is given, guys, in the description of the video. If you still need this, you can purchase the full source code, and the full directory structure will be given alongside with the actual code. And you don't need to do anything if you are new. You can just deploy this in your own hosting plan. Ready-made code is given. After you purchase it from stripe.com, you will get the directory structure. And we also have the menu here. We can select our background, guys. Let's suppose if you don't want the background to be black, you can change it to white. And now if you say click on, now you can see the background is changed to white color. So you can basically choose any background color, guys. It is totally up to you which background color that you want. And then again you can teach with any other pencil. You can see that. So now it's a whiteboard. So whiteboards are also very popular, whiteboard, blackboard. So it makes it very much easy to teach something using whiteboard. It makes it very much easy. And this is the menu here, and basically you can also choose a green board as well. So let's suppose this is a green board, guys. You will see that. So it's a green board, and depending upon, you can see how easy it is. You can play with this application. It's a very advanced blackboard editor that I developed using jsPDF, Html2Canvas, and socket.io library. You can even type some text right here also, and you can see that. We also have the eraser to erase something. So it makes it very much easy, guys. So You also have, you can draw any sort of shape that you want to draw on the screen, either a circle or any sort of shape. So various kinds of shapes are there, guys. So you can draw this shape and then you can write something here. You can see that. So it also have this option. Undo option is also there. If you want to undo something, we have this option. Undo, redo. These are the buttons right here. And you can even share your board, guys. So anyone opening this board in a second window will be able to see your work. So you can share this board with that unique link which is there. So it's a very good app. So some more options are there, guys. Basically, if you want to export your work, you can export it to a actual image. You can get an image here. So basically, let's suppose I draw something here. I do my work. After that, if I want to basically export it to a image file or PDF file, so what I will do is we can simply get an image. So I will get an image here. So what I have done right here, you will see that. So it has converted your blackboard and whiteboard to an actual image file. It's a PNG image file. You can even get a PDF file as well. So now this is now a PDF file. So it totally depends upon you how you want to get in a PDF or it in an image file. So for PDF we are using jsPDF, and for images we are using Html2Canvas library. This is a nice feature. So if you basically want to export something, all your work to a file, then you can do that. So we also have the grid-like structure. It's a very complex application, guys, so you can play around it. The link is given in the description. If you want to purchase the full source code, the link is given in the description of the video. You can directly go and purchase the full source code. And thank you very much, guys. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video.